In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix SteamVR error code 450. If you've encountered this error before, you know it can be frustrating and may interrupt your VR setup or gameplay. This error often stems from conflicts with certain software or settings, and resolving it may seem daunting at first, but rest assured, we're going to walk through some straightforward steps to get everything back on track. First, try restarting your computer. While this might seem basic, a quick reboot can often resolve minor glitches or software conflicts that might be causing the error. After your system restarts, launch Steam and open SteamVR to see if the error appears again. If it does, don't worry, we'll delve into more detailed fixes. Next, let's make sure your SteamVR software is up to date. Open the Steam client on your desktop. Navigate to the Library tab, and then click on Tools. Here, locate SteamVR in the list. Right-click on it and select Properties. Under the Updates tab, ensure that the automatic updates are enabled. This will ensure your software is always running the latest version available, which could include important bug fixes for errors like the one you're experiencing. Now, let's check on any third-party software that might be conflicting with SteamVR. Sometimes, antivirus programs or other overlays can interfere. Temporarily disable your antivirus to see if it's the culprit. Remember to re-enable it once you've finished troubleshooting. This can sometimes clear up conflicts and allow SteamVR to function properly. After that, let's take a look at your system's graphics drivers. They play a vital role in how your computer manages VR software. Navigate to your computer's device manager via the control panel. Locate your display adapter, right-click on it, and choose Update Driver. Follow the prompts to search automatically for the updated driver software. Reboot your system and check if the error still appears. If none of these steps have worked so far, the issue may be with your SteamVR installation itself. Let's try verifying the integrity of your SteamVR files. Return to the Steam client, head back to Library, and select Tools again. Right-click on SteamVR, go to Properties, then hit the Local Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Application Files, and Steam will scan for any missing or corrupt files and replace them as needed. This should fix any issues if they're stemming from the files themselves. Finally, if you've successfully followed all these steps and the error persists, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance. They may provide more insight based on your specific setup or additional troubleshooting steps. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to enjoying VR without any interruptions. Thanks for tuning in, and if this guide helped you, feel free to leave a thumbs up or comment below with any further questions or tips to share.